How to compost goat manure. Composting rich hot goat manure is similar to composting any other animal waste. Goat manure added directly to a garden in the fall makes wonderful compost. It also can be added to other scraps in the compost bin or used to make manure tea. Composting is the natural breakdown of organic material to a dark, loose, soil-like substance that will substantially enrich any garden, according to the Environmental Defense Fund. It is a form of recycling that occurs continually in nature and can significantly reduce the amount of household waste. Try your hand at one of these composting methods and your plants and garden will love it. Things you will need: 3-foot square compost bin, goat manure, kitchen scraps, shredded cardboard, dry grass clippings, chopped leaves, straw, shovel, burlap bag, 5-gallon bucket. Make or build a compost bin. Contact a goat farmer and arrange to have the manure delivered to the bin. Layer the goat manure with kitchen scraps and or soil, shredded cardboard, dry grass clippings, chopped leaves or straw. Add just enough water to keep it moist, and layer until the compost bin is full. Turn the pile from top to bottom approximately every 2 to 5 days. Put 10 to 12 pounds of goat manure per 100 square feet of garden in the fall after harvesting all produce. Turn the manure and mix with the soil in the spring, using a garden tiller. Make manure tea. Place a shovelful or 2 of goat manure in a burlap bag. Tie the bag closed with string. Place the manure-filled bag in a 5-gallon bucket and fill with water. Allow the bag to sit for a week to 10 days. Mix 1 part manure tea to 10 parts water for use on a daily basis. Tips: Warnings. Do not allow any manure tea to get on foliage of the plants.